Hey everyone, it's Deborah, and I am coming on for what I made Wednesday. And first off, I want to show you a new die that I received. I purchased the KS Craft May 2025 Fruity Drink die, and this is so cute. So here's a straw. Here's a little mason jar frame, and then this is the one that you can make the shaker with. That's the outline, and then here's the jar lid, and then it has a fruity slice like orange lime lemonade. So let me show you what I made with that die set. Give me just a moment. Put my die set up, otherwise I'll lose it. Anyway, so you probably know I'm still learning how to make shakers, so I made this first just to, go ahead and see how easy it came together. And it did. It's very easy. So then I made these two shakers. So here's one. Excuse me, my allergies are bad, so no. Anyway, something I did was 2 layers of the thinner foam. I want to find a different way to make the shakers. I'm having trouble with the foam. If you guys have an idea of another material, I was thinking maybe layering 110 cardstock or something like that. It's just whether it'll cut out on my machine. Anyway, but look how cute. I took a very tiny flower that I had, and then I took one of the little, I think it's from this, no, not this one. Oh no, you saw that? Wow, I didn't put the lid on that. Well, anyway, there's the fruit. There's the fruit slices that I used for the shakers. So we're gonna have this little bit of a mess right here during this video. I will clean that up later. I got to figure out how I'm going to get all that back into the container. But anyway, how funny. But anyway, these are the little lemon slices I made. And then I went with a pink top because there's pink in here, and I just think that is so cute. I used the little Michael's glitter paper, that comes in the 6x6 pads. I love using those smaller pads for my die cutting. Anyway, look at this one. I kind of, messed up. The glue was not dry, so there you go, have it. But anyway, I just love the fact that they shake, and I just did little lemon slice and a little flower. That little flower I did not make. It's these Recollections flowers. So just showing you that. All right. Then I went, gosh. Then I went really, crazy, and I made a bunch of the little slices because I'm going to make more of the shakers. But look how cute. I just used a combination of paper from all those little Michael's paper pads I have. But look how cute they are. Used some of the shiny paper from Michael's and the glitter combination. Super cute. And then this is foam on paper. And this is foam on that shiny paper. Look at they're just so cute. I can't wait to use these for summer projects. But this one is shiny on shiny. And then these, so cute. And then the glitter with, I'm not sure what that paper is. It's definitely a Michael's paper. All right, if you have an idea of how I clean up those sequins, let me know. They're not sequins, they're little clay bits. But anyway, there you go. Those, I just had so much fun with those. that little slice is just the cutest. Okay, let's get on to what else I made. Now my desk is really a mess. Oh well. So now you saw these. I think that was the Friday project for sure. And I made this, and this is a KS Craft die as well that I used, a folio maker. Anyway, I know you saw that. And then this one. Okay. I had some extra paper, some scrap paper left over, so I did go ahead and make a trio of little notebooks. I didn't decorate them at all, just, you know, plain. I used these at my desk. And then I made a policy envelope. And I made another one of these little notebooks. The little fall notebooks, which I love these. This is going to be fun to use too. Oops, upside down. Anyway, these are going to be so much fun to use in the fall and to give away and just, you know, have fun with that. So that's what I've made this week so far. And I want to show you some new dies that I got from KS Craft that I'm going to work with for next week. Let me show you real quick. This is one I was planning on using. This one, it's I don't even know. It's strawberry, so look at, I'm going to show you what it looks like. But I planned on having projects made for this video, but I didn't get around to it. So, of course, I didn't get this die until yesterday. So, but look how cute the strawberries are. That's a big one. And I bet you can make them, I don't think you can make them into a shaker. No, I don't think so. And that's fine. I really need to learn how to make shakers the right way. But anyway, look at this. You have the stems, the small and the large. So you could cut this out, these two frames out in black. And then these in red or pink or whatever colors you want. And have that black on the background for the seeds. And that would be so cute. And then you've got the chocolate dipped. So you could do chocolate. And then you have some little leaves in the stems. You know, very cute. This is going to be super easy. I can't wait to make some strawberry projects. You know, definitely fruit theme for the summer for sure. I'm going to concentrate on fruit. And then I did purchase, this is the strawberry dessert box. This was from November 2024, I believe. Let me see real quick. Let's open this, because my idea was to, if I do like a strawberry swap, I want to make the box and put these strawberries in it for the recipient. Anyway, it's a box. So it is strawberry dessert box. And so these are the sides, I'm sure. You cut two of those, that's easy. Does it even tell you? Oh, you cut this one by 2 and this one by 2. It tells you on there. And then here's the top of the box. Here's some heart-shaped strawberries. This is definitely a Valentine's one, but look, it even comes with a little bow. So cute. And then the chocolate drip and then drizzle. And it says for you and then little hearts and everything. But I'm going to use the box. So this is the base of the box. This is the top of the box. And these are the sides. So you're going to do, yeah, I'm going to figure it out. But anyway, I'm going to put it together hopefully for next week and show you a project with this and this. That will be fun. I'm looking forward to making that. Okay. And then I did get the May 2025 birthday bag topper. And let me show you this. I mean, this is the first time I'm opening these because I just got them this week. It takes forever for them to come in. So I ordered them off of Amazon if you're wanting to know. I'm not going to deal with like Temu or AliExpress right now. But anyway, this one says happy birthday and it's a bag topper, and I just can't wait to make this one. And I may even make it like a strawberry themed, you know, put one of the strawberries on the side or something like that. But it's cute. Definitely make that bag topper. Sorry guys, I'll put that back in later. And then this is a notepad. Okay. This is going to be super cute. This would be a great project for Craft Fair Friday. These little notepad I can't talk, guys. It's a notepad holder. Okay. I got to get these nails removed because one thing, I mean, I lost 2 of them, one on each hand, the middle finger, and it's time to get some new ones. But anyway, look at this. So it cuts out the area for your pen, where you're going to put your little pen. How nice is that? And let me see. The pad itself that you would put in there would be like a 3x3. So, you know, any of the sticky notes or stuff like that, you could put in it a 3x3, or you can even make your own little pad. I have an idea. Anyway, this would be super cute for craft fairs. You want to definitely put it on 110-pound paper and then decorate it. Yeah, that's going to be cute. And I would do a strawberry theme on it. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm obsessed with the strawberry stuff. So this one is a sweet, and I can't remember. I think it's a bag topper as well. I can't remember the name of it. Yes, it is. And it says sweet stuff. And I thought that would be super cute to either put candy in it for a craft fair or something like that. There's the sweet. Or if you're doing a swap, you can put, you know, strawberry themed stuff in it, you know, whatever you want. This one's super cute. And I can't remember. Let's see if I can figure out what month this was. I don't know. It's an older die. So, but I found it on Amazon. But anyway, that's what I'm going to be working with next week. And I also designed a lemon album on Cricut. And I'm just trying to finish that up. Not the album. I haven't cut it out yet. I'm still trying to finish up the design. But anyway, this is what I will be working with next week. And I can't wait to show you what I make with these. And yeah. So guys, if you have an idea of what to use instead of foam in the shakers, please comment below and let me know. I would love to use something else. I want to show you a couple of things that I purchased at Michael's to put in shakers. These were from Creatology, the plastic sensory balls. They may be a little too big, but I thought the colors were great for putting in shakers, possibly. And then I bought this honey mix for the lemon, for the lemon themed shakers. Thought that was really pretty. And then these little balls, they're clear transparent balls, and they were cute in the shaker. I put a little bit too much in that mixture, but it was fun. And then the Creatology shaped clay glitter in these little flowers. Look how cute. And then of course you see my disaster over here that I spilled. This is such a cute little mix. And I can't remember where I got that from. But anyway, I'm going to clean it up. I wish I had a little bitty broom. That would be super cute. A little broom to put on my, to sweep this up. But anyway, guys, if you have another material that you use for the shakers that is not foam, please let me know. In wood 110-pound paper layered, like several layers, would that work? Just trying to figure out another option for these. Okay, guys, have a great day. I'm going to get this video up, and I will talk to you later. Bye.